there, Sashi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a quick and easy half up, half down tutorial using this half wig. If you guys are interested in this look, definitely stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm about to do a half up, half down with a half wig. And so I'm gonna get started on my hair. Y'all, I cannot believe my hair has grown so much. I cut it like, I wanna say 9 months ago. Maybe 8 months ago, and it was like a little teeny weeny afro, and now it has grown so much. But anyways, let's get started. I've been keeping my hair just in a wig, so I have not done an actual style on my hair in months. So I'm kind of ready for something new, ready for something a little bit different. So I'm gonna just do the half up, half down. And probably after I get done with this style and get tired with this style, I might just go back to my wigs, because I do want my hair to get back to being long and healthy. So I did wash it last night, I blow dried it last night, and yeah, that's what we're working with. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just want to make sure this is where I want my ponytail. Yeah, that's actually perfect. And it doesn't have to be like super neat or anything like that. As I said, the half wig is going to go over this portion.
Baby, when I say I need you, greedy if I have to share you. It was me that all along did you wrong, thinking that I made you beautiful and strong. This toxicity, the death of me, I fear the day you gone. The most beautiful girl I've ever known. I'll find a way to treat you better. I swear there's no one out there like you. You teach me to be better. My talk is cheap, keep asking what I do. I'll fly you to the moon and hope I'll see you soon. I'll find a way to treat you better. No problem, I'll do whatever. Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret every day. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. La, 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 la.
So I'm gonna go in with a hair oil by Bread. I'm just gonna put that on the ends of my hair. Okay. And then y'all, I don't want to put too much product in my hair, but I am going to go in with the Even New York 24-hour edge tamer. Alright y'all, so the half wig that I am going to be using, I got it from Amazon. If you guys are interested in this half wig, definitely check the description box. I will have it linked for you guys. This is from Zinzi. I think the N is silent, maybe Nzinzi. And I got this from Amazon. It's a kinky straight half wig in 22 inches. I don't feel like it's super secure though, that's the only thing. But I think once I take some hair from this and put it in here, I think it'll feel a lot better, but it is not secure on its own. Hold on, let me use the combs. It has quite a bit of combs in it. Ooh, this is pretty. And then then it has a drawstring. So I'm gonna draw that. Okay, it feels a little bit better, y'all. Alright, so I put the half wig on my head. So now I'm just going to add some of the hair from the half wig to my actual ponytail. Alright y'all, so I am going to flat iron this portion of my hair. Just a small amount, nothing crazy. And I'm gonna wrap it around the base of my hair. I just feel like that'll be easier right now. Like I could blend it, right, with the wands, but I don't want to do that, to be honest. But if that's something you'd like to do, that's fine. You can like take little pieces and then attach it to pieces of the fake hair and wand it, and it'll come out just fine. But I just prefer to just flatten this piece real quick and just wrap it around the base. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is the hair, y'all, looking so natural. We'll separate them a little bit, separate some of the curls. This is it to the front. Very cute. Very cutesy, no complaints. And then let's not forget about the edges. As you guys can see, I don't necessarily need to do too much to my edges, but I am gonna do something. So I'm gonna put the Ebin New York 24-hour edge tamer on here, and I'm just gonna do a little doop-de-doop-de-doop. Alright guys, so this is the final look. If you guys are interested in more content like this, definitely thumbs up this video. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave them down below in the comment section. Also, I did link this wig in my description box, so if you guys are interested in this half wig, definitely look in my description box. You'll see the direct link right there. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.